Hello everyone, my name is Michael or Miguel. Hello everyone, this is Data Warriors. My name is Miguel and this channel is going to be about data science and machine learning. If you have been a struggle doing a lot of courses and you don't know how to combine them all to do a data science project, this is the place for you. In this, we're going to learn how to do a data science project for dummies like me, and it's basically for me to prove that I got the skills to do the job as a data analyst. So come with me to this journey. It's going to be super easy. You will see. At the end, this is like a template. You can use it, you can modify it, you can make it better. So we have the data science project. We're going to use a company called Deloitte. I don't know how to pronounce that. So step number one will be the description. In this case, it's the description of the company, but when you are working, you don't need to do this part, but this is for the project part. So Deloitte is a company that provides industry-leading services in audit, consulting, tax, and advisory to many of the world's most admired brands. More than 9,000 private companies based on the US, and this is what they do. And the data set, here we have what they do. They audit, they do consulting, tax, risk, but the most important thing is the data set metadata. So this is data about the data. Why is this important, you ask? Well, it is important because you know what is the data type, what is the name of the column that you're going to work with, and what is the range, what this column means. So for example, project ID is an integer, and is an integer that goes from 1,000 to 1 million. For some reason, I create this data set in ChatGPT. You can also do so. You can simulate any data set from any company, and it's super easy. You can do it in any LLM, ChatGPT, or any other LLM. You just need to copy the description. This is how I did it. I just copy the description, paste it, ask ChatGPT to give me a data set for about 1,000 rows about this company and what they do, and they come up with 1 million rows for some reason. I don't care. It could be 1,000 million rows. It doesn't matter. But this is what it did, and I asked to receive this in CSV format. Well, this is important. So here we have the data set and the different categories. And after that, we're going to see the business problem. How can you understand the business problem? This is, as you know, they're going to send an email to you. You're going to read as a data analyst the email, try to understand what they really mean and what they really meant, because sometimes they say something and it's something different. And these questions are going to help you to understand the context, the business problem, and yes, we have different questions that we're going to do to understand that. You're going to be an expert in these questions. After that, step number 3 will be the general questions about the project and what is the goal that you're trying to achieve with these questions. And as you remember, it's a company, so it's almost about the same. Is getting more money or saving more money. At the end is money. That is your job, to help people who make decisions to make the better decision, the best decisions that they can with the information that you have available. And from step 4 to step 8, we have the data observation and cleaning. This data set doesn't contain any missing values, outliers. No, it doesn't. So, but later on, we're going to do a project that is going to be particularly just for cleaning the data, which is another important part of data analysis that we also dominate, never compete, dominate. And we also have research questions. These research questions are going to be, we're going to use different methods like the pain points, the why method to make great questions. We're going to create hypotheses about these questions. Finally, we're going to do analysis we're going to use Google Colab for this one. Later on, we're going to use SQL. Well, we can also use SQL later on for the same project, and then Tableau or Power BI. But remember that we're also going to use Google Colab. Google Colab is very easy to use, it's free. Now with the AI, you can ask to, if you don't know how to use Seaborn or Matplotlib, you can ask directly to the visualization for you. So it's going to be easy. Nowadays, you don't need to remember anything really. You just need to know what to do. And this channel is for me to prove that I got the skills to be a great data analyst and get the job. All right. So, and finally, yes, we're going to do box plots, heat maps, time series, and the dashboard, and we're going to do a report. And at the end, we're going to provide the recommendations. That's it. This is like an overview of the template that I created. If you follow me, it's going to be very easy for you to follow. At the end, I'm going to put it also on the comments so you can download it. You can make any modifications. You can upgrade it so you can take it to the next level. And you finally can get the job as I'm going to get the job. Okay? So if you like the channel, if you like the video, please subscribe. Criticize me. This is my first video. I think that I can do it better. This is a channel that I hope that is going to give me the opportunity, and I'm going to do some networking. Yes. So let's do this together. Come with me with this project and this journey. And believe me, you're going to learn a lot. So please subscribe. And that's it for today.